Do you think that you might be leading with the wrong fire? It's the passion paradox. Welcome to Leadership Accelerator for Women. February has been a month of diving deep into heart-powered strategies to unlock your true potential. Now, we've talked about finding your purpose, igniting your passion, and creating a compelling vision. So we're going to wrap it all up with some powerful insights. I hope you all are enjoying your Brilliance Breakthrough Workbook and leading your life with love. And what I want to talk about today is this passion paradox. Now, purpose comes from our passion, and that also leads to our vision. And sometimes we get stuck in this coulda, woulda, shoulda, right? There are 5 things that we have in the Leadership Accelerator for Women. It's leading with purpose, trust built through courage and confidence, communication, decisive action, and continuous learning. And we are all about that. So, you can download this still. It is not, we created it for February, but you can do it anytime. And I would recommend that you continue to go back over it again and again. Because really, I know Seth Godin says start with why, and I really believe we go a little bit deeper than that is where we can truly ignite passion and have change in the world, have women leaders creating a life that we love on purpose, creating businesses that are thriving, and changing our world the way the Dalai Lama said that it should be. When Western women lead the world, we'll change it for good. I'm Julie Ulstrup. I'm the Leadership Accelerator for Women. I share proven practices and success strategies to help you reach the top 1%. I work with high-achieving corporate women as well as with entrepreneurs who want to reach the top 1%. So here's the thing. Purpose is not like a destination. It's your compass, right? Your deepest why, the problem that you're trying to solve, the impact that you want to make in the world. And that really comes when we look deep. And when we have our, the journaling prompts and everything that we've gone through for February, that can really catapult us forward. And really, it takes the personal as well as the professional development to really help us as leaders and to help us develop other leaders. Now, you may have heard me say this before, but the McKinsey report on businesses shares that there are woefully low percentages of corporations that believe that their leaders are successful. Only 25% of the people who were interviewed in their 2023 data said that that they have faith that their leaders can inspire them. And leaders of top companies, only 7% of those say that they believe that there's sufficient leadership coming up through the ranks. So I used to say that this is not our fault, but it's our problem. Here's the thing. It's not our problem. It is our opportunity, my friends. We have this great opportunity that we can make a difference through women-powered leadership. And I'm here with you to share some of those practices and success strategies. So, one of the practices that I've shared before is journaling. In the morning, when you wake up, that's the time when your mind is not quite clicked in yet. Just go ahead and take 10 minutes and journal. What is it that you want? What is it that's popping into your mind? Like, do you have a vision of something? Do you have an idea of maybe a way that you can solve a problem? What is it that you want? And then just take that and sit with that for a moment. So here's the thing. A lot of times we have been taught that there are these things that we should do. Now, of course, there are things that we need to do to keep the ball moving forward in our business or in our corporate leadership positions, but the way that we do them, right? Doing them with passion, doing them using our unique talents and gifts, then it becomes more like fulfilling a mission. And when we're fulfilling a mission, you can be authentic, you can use your real self, your real voice, and people get to know you and to trust you, whether it's your clients, whether it's the team you're leading, and they're going to connect with you and your vision so that you can make a difference in the impact that you're here to make in the world. So many people say that they are so passionate about developing leaders, and these are the tools for doing so. So passion is your profit catalyst. That's the way it works. It attracts your clients with your unique essence to support your journey. So the next thing we're going to talk about is vision. And I talk about this vision construction in my workshops. I am hosting a workshop. I don't think I've announced it here yet, but I am hosting a Women's Spring Forward Retreat, March 22nd to March 24th here in Colorado. And if you're interested, there are details in the episode notes. I would love to have you attend. 2.5 days with a small group, actually about 25 women, really digging deep, and you're going to walk away with a clear path of what is next for you, for your vision, for your leadership, for your team, and for your company. Anyway, back to vision. When you create a vision, what is your guiding star? That's why we call our Leadership Accelerator program our STARS program. You want to paint a picture of your most desired future. What is it that you want? How do you see yourself in a year, 5 years, 10 years? Now, it is said, and it's true, that many of us, myself included, we have such a great idea of what we can accomplish in a year, but we don't think big enough for 5 years or 10 years down the road. And the Leadership Accelerator, we collapse time and we get those things going, but really, when we look at what is our 5-year vision and our 10-year vision, we're going to work on that as well. So create a clear vision that inspires action, that attracts talent, and fosters alignment with your deepest desires, and make that the benchmark for every decision that you make. So when you gather with your team, create a vision setting session. Brainstorm, collaborate, and create a really compelling vision that everybody can not get behind you, but get with you, right? You want people with you, not behind you. So obviously this is not something that you can only do in February, but we're excited that we've been able to share this with you. This is something all year long. It's sharpening the saw. It is part of that continuous education that we share here at Leadership Accelerator. Because when you have that clear vision, you get that unstoppable momentum. You get the right people and the opportunities and the resources. They're all in your corner. So I want to end this episode with the thought for the day. And this is from Maya Angelou. Give what you can. Give back. When you give back, you get back in unexpected ways. And I would love to hear something in the comments below. If you have any questions from this month or from this episode, some clarification that you need, more details that you want, we're here about having a conversation, and we'd love to have you, fill in your thoughts and your ideas. But I'd love to know, think about a time and a place, and I'll put some in the show notes as well, or I'll put a comment even. When is a time that you have, I want to read it exactly how Maya says it because she says it so well. When you've given back and then you've gotten something back in unexpected ways. I'd love to hear an experience that you've had with that, because I know that we all have. So thank you so much for tuning in. Please feel free to give us a thumbs up, subscribe, and share this with another incredible woman leader who you think would love the content and love to be part of our community. Make it a great day.